welcome everyone. This is IMTEX 2023 and we are having with us Mr. S. Pandey, who is the Managing Director of Synergic Machine Tools. Synergic Machine Tools offering solutions in the grinding and polishing technologies, and they have much more to tell us about their technology, and we will also going to ask them what are they demonstrating at this IMTEX show. So sir, welcome firstly, and please elaborate on your technologies which you're demonstrating. The machines are very big, so just give us the insights about what is it all about.
Yeah, basically let me tell you that Synergy Machine Tool is purely into from surface grinding, lapping and polishing. So where we supplying the solutions from automobile industries like bearing, connecting rod and piston rings, wall plate. For those we have been giving a very high precision solutions like a faster production cycle time, quick grinding solutions with the higher precision. So we are into grinding, lapping and polishing, where you can see this is a very large double disc grinding machines basically used for connecting rod applications, grind all the precision products output with high precision. Like you're looking for a production part like 7,000 pieces per hour. So this is the right way, like a running horse of the industries.
Amazing. Amazing.
Yeah. So you can see this is a large machine, very precision machines, and this is worldwide sold 1,000 plus, and in India 50 plus. Yeah.
Great. So this is all make in India thing, correct?
This is from our principals, but we are a sales and service partner for them, like a partner in India for them. We are going to manufacture make in India.
That's amazing, sir. So again, talking about the other technologies which you are demonstrating at this show, could you please elaborate on the technical part of that side?
Yeah, sure. So we also have a double side fine grinding machine where we are displaying another part of the machine. So those are used for a 2 micron accuracies. We are looking for a flatness of 2 microns and a parallelism up to 2 micron, array up to 0.15. This helps for industry achieving the very greater cycle times and greater surface finish as well.
That's great, sir. Then talking about IMTEX, one of the biggest show for Indian machine tool industries.
Yes.
So how has been the response to your stall, and how has been the response to overall the machine segment of which you're demonstrating over here?
We found this is a great show and it was a great opportunity for everyone us, and we got a very tremendous response from the industry, because the industry is amazed by seeing this mammoth sized machine and they liked it. Like our large OEMs visited are quite well. They appraised us by showing and demonstrated such a large machine in IMTEX.
That's amazing. We congratulate you on your growth, sir. And again, talking about IMTEX, what has been your expectations out of this demonstration? What are you expecting?
Yeah, we have learned from our buyers who have visited, has given a lot of inputs like what needs to be along with the machine can be offered for them as a solutions, and we have been appraised for their recommendations, and we are coming up with a integrated solution from loading, unloading, all parts integrated. But since we have a little space constraint, we have not demonstrated, but we have those technology with us.
So you're going to launch it soon.
Yeah.
So here customers, here the visitors have a look on this sentence. They are going to launch few more technologies which they will be demonstrating at the next show, probably. Yes. So stay tuned for those new launches, and thank you so much, sir, for giving us your time, and we congratulate you on your great success for this show. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.